Hello everyone, welcome to the first part of the design lab. In my part, I will cover the two most important techniques in typography, which are alignment and comparison. Firstly, let's look at the alignment. So this is the page I want to create for introducing a typeface designer. And we got all the information here for this page. We have the font information, designer image, and some background about the designer. As you can see, this page is not organized. And the reason why is because we cannot find any support line for us to read through the information. And what is a support line? A support line is an invisible line for the reader to arrange the page and identify each information in a page. A support line can be horizontal or vertical. So let's make a support line. First, we need to open our ruler first. You can show ruler by checking the Show Ruler option under the View panel. And simply drag one support line. We also call this support line a guide. As you can see, some of the texts are not correctly aligned. So one possible solution can be place all the text boxes and align them together by sticking them to the guide. So like this. After you made all the support line and did the alignment, the page would look much clearer and organized. Now the viewer can read the page more efficiently and focus on the part they are interested in. In addition, the comparison is also really easy to understand. Let's look at this page as an example. When we first read through this page, we might try to find which part is most important. But in terms of font size and font weight, we cannot identify which part of information is the most important or less important. Then we might decide to read from left to right and top to bottom. So the orange stroke you can see is the direction of our eye reading through this page. But how about we use a comparison method to emphasize the important part by increasing the font size and weight of that part? Much better, right? We can immediately identify the word type designer. It's the most important information for this page. It is a title and it tells us what this page is about. Let's look at the orange line now. Let's look at the orange line now. The direction of our eye reading through this page becomes much more clear, which is from the most important to less important. This is how comparison methods do. Overall, those are the two typography techniques that I want to present today. We hope you like our tutorial and wish you can use this technique in your future design.